Hey, it's Keith at Cheddar Farms, and it's early October, and we're getting some cool nights. So I want to talk to you just a minute about how to take care of your plants once we get into this cool season. Most plants will do great out in this cool weather that we have, but there's a few that are a little bit more susceptible to cold. So, like in these mixed containers here, for an example, we've got celosia, which is going, if it gets down to 32, that is going to fry. So you want to throw maybe a light sheet over that if it's going to get down freezing. Things like kale, petunias, Dusty Miller, creeping Jenny, those are all more cold hardy. So until it gets down below freezing, those are going to be fine. Anything out in your beds, if your sun patients still look good and we're going to get down to freezing, throw a sheet over it because it's not going to stay cold for long. Usually we get a couple hard frosts in October or cold enough frost to hurt things, and then we're good. So if you take care of them a couple nights, you got plenty of time to enjoy. And that goes for like peppers in your garden, tomatoes. If you want to make them last longer, it's going to frost, just throw a little bit over them and you can enjoy them a lot longer. So I hope those tips help, and we will see you next time.